strike on Beirut's southern suburb on Sunday after ordering an evacuation of a building that is said was being used by the Iranian-backed group that is Hezbollah. Also, the attack occurred despite the ceasefire that came into effect 5 months ago, which put an end to the conflict between the Israel and the military group Hezbollah. Also, Israel said that it had targeted a Hezbollah store of the precision-guided missiles that poses a threat to the state of Israel and its civilian. Also, the Lebanese presidency condemned the strike and called on the United States and France, who brokered the ceasefire deal in November, to press the Israel to cease its attack on the country. Also, the attack marks the first time in almost a month that Israel has struck Beirut's southern suburb called the Dehi, also where the Hezbollah is based. Also, this will be put further pressure on the ceasefire despite the deal. Also, Israel has struck targets it says are linked to the Hezbollah almost every day. The Israeli government has said that this will be in response to the perceived threats from the Hezbollah. Also, Western officials speaking on the condition of anonymity have told the BBC that the militant group has been largely compliant with the truce, while accusing the Israel of multiple violations that includes the airstrikes and the drone surveillance. Also, live footage streamed by the Reuters also showed a giant plume of storm and the smoke that is billowing from the targeted building an hour after the Israeli army issued an evacuation order to the residents of the Hadat neighborhood. Lebanon's civil defense later said that no casualties have been recorded and the rescue crews have been extinguishing the fire. Also, in the statement on X following the strike, the Lebanon presidency have also said that the President Joseph Aoun have condemned the attack, and the United States and France, as guarantors of the cessation of the hostilities agreement, must assume their responsibility and compel the Israel to immediately cease its attack, it wrote. Also, Israel continued undermining of the stability that will exacerbate the tensions and the exposing of the region to the real threats to the security and stability of the overall region. And also the climate of the world economy, the Israel government said that it had targeted the Hezbollah store of the precision-guided missiles. The storage of the missile in these infrastructure sites constitute a blatant violation of the understanding between the Israel and Lebanon and poses a straight threat to the state of Israel and its civilian, the Israeli military said in a statement. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu office said that the Israel will not allow Hezbollah to grow stronger. The Dehieh neighborhood in the Beirut will also not serve as a safe haven for the terrorist organization Hezbollah, it added. UN Special Coordinator for the Lebanon, that is Jeanine Hesses, also wrote on the X that the strike generated panic and fear of renewed violence among those desperate for a return to normalcy. Also, we urge all sides to halt any actions that could further undermine the cessation of the hostilities understanding, she added. Also, earlier this month, an Israeli airstrike in the Beirut suburb killed 4 people, including an Hezbollah